Well, we have to talk about how to do restart, but if you have once you can click on there's a restart manager. Restart manager is actually a DLL. It's a plugin, and you can see all the plugins you have by clicking help and tools. You can see there's a restart manager plugin, and the thing is, it tells you when you run the case, it tells you where you snap, where you take the restart. It tells you the time you take the restart at time 0, and also tells you what's the restart number and then where is save it. It's actually in this case we only take two restart files, snap two restart files, one restart file, but two place. One is time equals 0, one is the end of the simulation, 1200. And once you know you have restart file, we see how do we replay it. Okay, there's a replay toolbar. See, all the toolbars can be floated or docked anywhere you want it. And once you done with settings with all these toolbars or dock wedges, you can go to File and save configure, save as default. So next time you open up RHYS, it's gonna be your favorite settings. Okay. Okay. So once you run simulation done generating restart file, you can click read restart right away. Once you click restart, and this output pane tells you load this restart. So you load, when I click load restart, it tells you the data is loaded. The data is actually in that R file, and the same thing as the snap manager, restart manager tells you that's the same restart file, right? And then click it and tells you, okay, there's only 0 seconds. It's really quick to loading the restart file because there are only 2 points. So let's click on the system view. And then there's besides the system component where you see the statistics, there is a tab called system data. You click that one. Actually, this one shows all the restart minor informations. This minor edit, you extract it from the restart. But you can see the first one is general information. Click on it, it shows you restart name and shows you restart file path, which one you loaded, and then which version of restart, which version of assist is used to generate the restart, and then the time and also how many points. Okay, there is only like 121 points of restart information. So once you successfully load this one, you can use this replay toolbar. After loading, after click restart, you can click run. Right? This is a replay. It's not a run. Now this run is different from that run. Okay, this one is a simulation run. It's a running assist, but this run is actually replay the restart information, not running assist code. Okay, so you can click it and you see the data change, or you can pause it. You can bring it back the heat map, and then you can run it. Oh, let me just bring that up here. Cause I say I hide the heat map. Let me just change that one, and I say running. Okay, so this is now you see the simulation, but it actually is a replay, and you can speed it up. You make it really fast and make it really slow, right? You can drag it and go anywhere you want, and then that's a heat map replay, and also you can let's just separate the plotting with system data, because now you may want to plot something, right? Plot something that when you did not set up early. So what you can do is go to system view, go to system data, where it shows all the restart information. And then, for example, you want to grab a row and then click a row RHO, and you find all the component. Every time you click one component, it's gonna highlight it on the normalization, okay? And so you know where you're clicking on. And then if you want to plotting the 10806 density, just drag and drop it. So it's gonna showing you right here with the vertical timestamp bar, the bar here, indicating where you are at right now, the replay. Okay, so that's the replay capability.